Chiara Ferragni is an Italian blogger, businesswoman, fashion designer, and a model who has collaborated with fashion and beauty brands through her vlog, The Blonde Salad. She was born in Cremona in 1987. She started her fashion blog, The Blonde Salad, in October 2009 with a former boyfriend, Riccardo Pozzoli. In March 2011, New York introduced her as one of the biggest breakout street style stars of the year. In December 2011, she was profiled as the vlogger of the moment in Teen Vogue while still a law student at Bocconi University. Ferragni modeled for Guess in a November 2013 shoot that was subsequently marked as an ad campaign. In December 2013, she collaborated with Steve Madden to design a 9-shoe collection for spring 2014. On May 2021, Ferragni unveiled the Nespresso X Chiara Ferragni collection on her social media. A temporary pop-up cafe was set up in a celebration of the capsule. In April 2021, Ferragni joined the board of directors of Tots Group. In 2017, Ferragni was chosen to design costumes for the 4th edition of Intimacy on Ice. On 26 July 2017, she opened her first Chiara Ferragni collection store in Milan. In May 2018, Footwear News named her one of the most influential moms in the fashion industry. In January 2015, her blog and shoe line Chiara Ferragni collection became a case study at Harvard Business School. In March, Ferragni was selected for the cover of the April 2015 Vogue Espana, making her the first fashion blogger to appear on any Vogue cover. Since then, she has appeared on over 50 fashion magazine covers. In January 2016, Pantene announced Ferragni was its new global ambassador. Mattel Inc. created a Barbie version of Ferragni in September 2016. One wearing a white t-shirt, a black leather jacket, jeans and Chiara Ferragni collection shoes, and the other wearing a head-to-toe Chanel look. Her business venture grossed about 8 million in 2014. Ferragni modeled for Guess in a November 2013 shoot that was subsequently marketed as an ad campaign. Her television credits include the Italian TRL Awards as a presenter and a guest appearance on the Italian variety show Chiambretti Night. Ferragni walked the red carpet at the Cannes Film Festival in conjunction with the premiere of We Have a Pope. She also appeared on Project Runway as a guest judge during season 13 in August 2014. In March 2011, New York introduced her as one of the biggest breakout street style stars of the year. In December 2011, she was profiled as the vlogger of the moment in Teen Vogue while still a law student of Bocconi University. In 2013, she had won various Vlogger of the Year recognition. In December 2013, she published an Italian language ebook under the Blonde Salad.